Welcome to the most disgusting bowling YouTube collaboration that I've ever been a part of. You're probably ever gonna see. We've got TV Bowling Supply here, Michael Tang, to tell us what we're doing today.
As you can see, there are a plethora of cheeseburgers here, courtesy of McDonald's.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Not sponsored. We're bowling a trios team game. Each cheeseburger consumed is 10 bonus pins. To that person's score, high score wins.
Honestly, I feel like this is just gonna hurt, so enjoy.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. No matter how many burgers I do or don't eat, I'm bowling equally as or good. So, I'm going.
I'll make up for my bowling with burgers.
I'm going. There's a deadline for burgers consumed. It is the end of the 7th frame. All burgers must be consumed before the 8th frame.
Very excited.
Shim there.
Oh yeah!
Oh!
We got the two-hander on the team. He eats a lot and he's two-handed. Oh God. Oh! All right, good night. I have to use the bathroom. Oh, loser.
Delicious right here. Delicious. Look at this.
It is so good. All right, hold
There we
up.
go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
I fasted all day for this challenge, so I'm ready. Yeah. We're gonna make up those pins. That's our
There
anchor.
we go. Good shot.
I'm gonna try to walk slow because I'm gonna have to keep this consistent. I want to keep this consistent.
Let's go, baby. That's why you're last.
Let's
go. Let's go. Let's go.
We gotta manage ball motion and
Oh,
the
no.
score.
Second is done.
Where's Matt Stoney when you need him? You eat my burgers for me in this challenge, I'll teach you how to bowl.
It's number 4. I can't strike, so I'm going to make up burgers.
I'm gonna finish last. I'm finishing last in the burger count, 100%.
There we go, baby.
I'm the lightest guy in this challenge, clear by 40 pounds.
Why?
Oh, boy.
Holy cow.
Uh-oh.
This pair's soaking a lot. I'm gonna have to double up on burgers.
I like it. I like it. Feeling good. 2 burgers in. I got about 5 more to go on a double. I like it. I like it.
Carry.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
I really need to help the team. I need them all. 10-bagger incoming.
We gotta get a cup.
Oh gosh.
Dunking it, the buns in there.
Good recommendation.
We love league. We love league.
We'll go, man.
Yes. More burgers.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right, boys. Little powwow right here. Little powwow. All right, let's discuss lane difference, ball reaction. All right, so I think the left lane is just a little flatter. So we're gonna have to go around it a little more. I'm gonna play it 3 different.
This guy's an animal.
I will do the same.
Let's go. All right. Uh-oh. Push. Let's go.
Can't miss.
The real challenge is trying to pick
The real challenge is will he ever miss again.
He's on a 58-bagger. This is the 3rd video we're shooting today. The people's choice is not miss all day. All right, Darius, we're really gonna need you to carry us here in the burger count.
Got a strike.
Knock is on.
Yeah.
I'm on 5 now.
Get it. You're on 5 burgers?
Ruby, baby. Let's go.
Great work.
Go team.
Yeah, baby.
Team eating.
Team eating. See what you did there. Only number 2. I'm struggling.
I'm 5 burgers deep already.
Wow. That's still almost struck.
The first miss of the day.
Pretty much.
Pull me up, boys. In burgers and in score. All right.
All right, very good. Going on 3.
All right. Oh, my God.
You don't look too happy.
Number 6. Good. Keep it going. You gotta, yeah, 138. Uh-oh. Don't die. Don't die.
Water went down the wrong tube. He's the legend. He's a god.
Goat.
Good choice. I
He's
gotta
the
keep
goat.
working. I gotta keep working.
Undisputed goat.
I'm hurting, boys.
Saddle.
Oh, God.
You can't turn and then look back.
I was just going to get my other ball.
Oh yeah. Good job, team.
I got you both.
Yeah, please.
Oh, come on. Carry that.
Not today.
That's disgusting. I'm not finishing this. It's like I threw up in the box. Come on.
Hey.
No! Here we go.
Oh, get there.
Wow. Oh boy. Not good.
Oh, God, these pros just get so deep. Push. Take 3 more burgers, you'll be right.
I think I finally got the burger out of my nose.
I wonder if I can get one more before we're done.
I'll get 2. Hey.
Wait. I'm gonna.
Seventh
I gotta
grade.
eat at least 2 more.
All right, this will be number 4.
I think I threw a wrapper away on accident.
There we go. Yeah. Oh. This one, yeah.
Good.
7th grade.
So this is our last frame to eat a burger?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
You trying to eat another
keep one
or
more.
2?
Gotta get 4 in.
How many more are you trying to eat?
Can do one more, I think.
One more? Yeah. I know how fast
I got one. I think I got one in me.
I think you gotta throw it down before I'm done.
I'll go ham.
You gotta throw them down before I throw my shot.
I'm on 6 right now. This is your 3rd?
Mm-hmm.
This is your 4th?
Number 4.
I'm on 5. I just finished 4. I just finished 4. This is 5 right here. Yep.
You're on 8?
7. This guy's killing it over
You have until I'm done, so you don't have to rush.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Okay.
You finished 3?
Oh, no, 2. I'm pathetic.
2.
That one.
Oh.
No.
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 Should have known after Mikey left one.
I might need to take a little break real quick. Unless anyone can take this burger right here.
Can we tag team
Can we,
it?
can we tag team it?
I don't see
Does that
why
work?
not.
I'll lead a third, you do third.
This is a horrible idea.
Oh, yeah. 3rd, but I like that.
There we go. That's it.
Horrible idea.
Still number 4.
Time for the 7th inning stretch, boys. Hands in the air. Now touch your toes.
Oh, God.
Oh, Mikey,
It's gonna bend the stomach.
Oh, Jesus.
You should lose points. He's not doing the stretch. All right,
One of our teammates is dead.
let's bowl.
The 5 rope
Good stretch, boys.
I feel worse.
It's actually 406 to 411. We're on a double, so we're actually up 15.
Let's go, boys.
Come on, one more. Catch.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
7 down.
We love
Go,
league.
baby.
Yeah, we're bowling on the league pattern.
We need those. We needed those.
Will!
Oh, get back.
Oh! That's what I'm talking about.
You're looking a little thicker after those burgers.
There we go.
Yeah. My
Go,
team's
baby.
carrying me
Go.
in burgers and on the leg.
That's awesome.
Sit. There we go. This is the path of destruction.
Anchor.
Come on. Your hand. Let's go.
Come on, ball. Carry. Yes.
Uh-oh.
7 burgers.
Out of the way.
Get it? Oh.
Oh, come on, let's go, FK.
Oh, let's get it. It's not sitting well.
Oh!
Let's go. Come on. Carry.
Oh.
Just hit the piss out of it.
No love. He's getting real deep.
One time.
Oh, God.
That's the same hit. That's the same hit.
Oh, nice shot.
Quality. Quality spare.
Go.
I hit the pocket every shot so far.
Foundation.
Stepping up your plate right now.
One time.
Oh, no.
Not the foundation frame.
No. Easy spare.
Turns have tabled.
It's
Dude,
like 150.
dude eats faster than anybody I know.
Four. We just finished frame 9 right now. We have all these wrappers of the burgers we ate. I had 7.5 personally, and I'm bloated half.
What a flex.
Do we count half?
I had to put it out there.
How many do you have?
That's 7-2.
What's the total here? 14 burgers from my team.
And we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
Ooh,
13.
This match is close.
Oh, man.
At 3.
At 4.
That's 7.
14?
3, 4, 6. Yeah.
Oh.
There was one more.
Oh, that was mine. That was mine. I left it
Oh,
there.
no.
Let's go.
14.
Even.
Come on. Get it done. One time. One good one. We got a 20-pin match right now. It's dead even on the burgers. Don't even know why we did that. We could have just built a 3v3. Here we are.
Hook.
Oh, dead!
Yeah!
Your hand, bro. That's why you bowl with 2 hands. Yeah!
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
Hook! All right.
Oh, again.
We're testing area around here.
We tried.
What a quality shot.
There we go.
Quality shot.
There we go.
Feeling it.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. The final score was 678 for I Love League. Oh, plus the bonus pins, we shot 818, so 850. We were pretty close, boys.
Jeez.
We were pretty close.
762.
But basically, it was just a scratch score because we tied in burger count. South Point, thank you for letting us to come in to use your facility. They've been great. The employees took care of us, everything we needed to do. We got it done. Shout out to Silent Solutions with production. Subscribe to them on YouTube. They are helping us increase the production value of videos. And then, of course, all the guys that came out to shoot videos with us. 220 Average Bowler, Forrest Kritzer, and he doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he's the people's choice, Ryan. D-Star Productions. And then our boy from the OH, TV Bowling Supply. Subscribe to everybody. Thanks again for watching, and I never want to do this again.
To the bathroom.
Let's do it.